Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 2nd of February 2025 and here in London, looking through the windows, it looks nice and bright, very sunny, but the weather is very deceiving. This morning I went to the garden and it was bitterly cold, icy and frosty. Exactly 2 weeks ago we have shown you when and how to sow your chili seeds. Now in this video we will give you an update and show you what to do next once your seeds has germinated and the seedlings has popped out. Now I'm really happy to say, mashallah, the seeds have germinated and the seedlings has popped up. Exactly 2 weeks ago in this modular seed tray we planted 2 seeds in each capsules and most of the seed has germinated. I can see both seed has germinated and on this one, although I can see 1 seed has germinated. So it's always a good idea to put 2 seeds in each capsules. Now on this capsule here the seed did not germinate, and this one as well. Now this could be because I allowed the soil to dry out. For the seed to germinate you need a consistent moist soil and a consistent temperature above 21 degrees Celsius. So I can see this soil is so dry. That could be the reason the seed did not germinate. Now if you have sown 2 seeds in 1 capsule and both of them germinated and you have 2 seedlings, you could easily separate both of them and put them in 2 different containers. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to be separating the seedlings in this 2.5 inch pots. It's best to use multi-purpose compost at this stage, but try to use a multi-purpose compost that has no added fertilizer. So make sure to loosen your multi-purpose compost. If there's any bits and pieces in them, remove them. It looks amazingly beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to separate them. Oh, the soil is so dry. Hold the seedling by the leaves. They're so delicate at this stage. So hold the seedlings by the leaf so you don't break the stem. I really enjoy gardening at this stage. When you're nursing your seedlings and you're looking forward to spring and then to summer to harvest your chilies. At this early stage of the seedlings don't need any fertilizer. They don't need much nutrients until you will see 4 leaves on your seedlings. That's when you need to add nutrients to your soil for the plant to grow. So at this stage I'm going to just use some Epsom salt, and that will help the seedling with transplant shock. So I had 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in 1 liter of warm water, and then dilute it properly. The soil is so dry. We forgot to water it. Keep the soil moist. Don't let the soil dry out, especially when you're trying to germinate seeds. Because we had them over a heat mat, and it's a very small capsule, and it quickly dries out. So regularly, every day, you may have to water them. Once your seeds have germinated and you see the seedlings popped up, for your seedlings to grow, they need a lot of light. If you live in a colder climate such as UK, it's a good idea to invest in a grow light, and you'll find you'll do well with your chili seedlings. So I have a grow light downstairs. I'm going to put them under a grow light, and I'm hopefully, if I water them regularly, and once the seedlings has formed true leaves, which is the first 4 leaves I'll see on the seedlings, I will start feeding them with nutrients. Hopefully in the next video we will show you what nutrients you can feed your seedlings. If you don't have a grow light, put them on a windowsill, a bright windowsill. This is our loft room, and we have a huge windows here, and there's plenty of sunlight comes through this window. We normally keep our seedlings near this window, and they get plenty of sunlight. Daytime we keep the seedlings near the windows here, but nighttime we move them away because the window can get very cold nighttime. So I'm hoping these seedlings, on our next video, these seedlings would have formed true leaves, and we'll show you how to feed your seedlings with fertilizer, liquid fertilizer. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the videos with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.